Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. And today we are in Amritsar and that was my sister. Let me take you along.
We chose Air India this time. It was super comfy, great space, took off on time, and also gave us a complimentary meal. This meal consisted of water, fruity, stuffed buns, rolls, sweets, and cookies. And finally, we reached the Amritsar airport. We decided to stay at the Welcome Hotel ITC. That's in Amritsar, just 15 minutes away from the airport and 20 minutes away from the main market.
So after a cozy check-in, we are now heading out to basically eat and do a lot of sightseeing. So I wanted to take you all. Our check-in was super comfortable and we were just so tired, so we just wanted to rest a bit, so I didn't vlog anything there. But now we're all active and we're like all energetic and we're going to Kulcha Land to have chole kulche, because if you're in Amritsar and you've not had chole kulche, I mean, that's not done. So let me take you there. This is Kulcha Land. Kulcha Land. Thank you. What nice, na?
How does it feel?
It feels very cold.
Bhaiya, you're in the video.
Super. This is the chaat masala type.
Kachumbar.
Kachumbar. So this is ये मसाला वाला है, ये पनीर वाला है, and ये अमृतसरी. And
Ready? Hungry? Let's do Tofai. Bye.
so hot. ठंडी में एकदम गरम गरम.
Thank you, भैया.
तो वो ऐसे हैं, एक लेडीज ने पहना होगा ना, हजारों में लेडी खड़ी होगी तो अलग अलग दिखेगी. बड़े
हमें भी
जबरदस्त
शौक
होते
है.
हैं,
हमें भी शौक है.
बड़े जबरदस्त है, बड़े जबरदस्त.
हमने स्पेशली
जिस लेडी ने पहना होगा ना,
लोग उसको देखेंगे.
लोग उसको बार बार देखेंगे. सर पूरा रश होता है इसके ऊपर भी. और एक चीज आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, जो ड्रेन होती है ना हमारी, जो मोर्चे बने होते हैं, जैसे पाकिस्तान वाले अंदर घुसाएंगे हमारे एरिया में, ये मोर्चे बने हुए हैं, वो सामने, इनमें हमारे जवान होते हैं. और ये नीचे पानी छोड़ते हैं, इसको ड्रेन बोलते हैं. इसमें पानी छोड़ देते हैं, फिर करंट लगा देते हैं, कोई आगे ना आ पाए. बीच में से जो भी निकलेगा वो मारा जाएगा.
आ जाते हैं.
जी जी. इस तरफ जो है किन्नू का बाग, संतरे जैसा होता है ना, वो क्या उसको बोलते हैं?
किन्नू. हाँ हाँ.
ये उसका बाग.
संतरे का भाई होता है.
हाँ वही संतरे का भाई, वही ये वो है. अभी टूट गया था. इस तरफ भी वही है. और ये आम है ऊपर,
हाँ दिख रहे हैं पूरे झंडे.
देखिए. ये मौसम क्लियर नहीं था, नहीं तो 10 किलोमीटर से दिखते हैं.
तो सुंदर.
ट्रक है जो पाकिस्तान माल जाता है अंदर, वो है इन दिनों में काम नहीं है, नहीं तो इस लाइन पे ऊपर पूरा ट्रक ही होता है, कम से कम 2000-3000 लगा होता है।
तो वहाँ जाते हैं ये ट्रक?
हाँ, अंदर वो अपना माल उतार देते हैं, अपना चेंज कर लेते हैं।
Here you'll find locals trying to sell you flags, caps, food.
Show again, sir. Very nice, very nice. Guys, we are at Atari village, which is also called the Wagah border. And like you all can see, we of course can't go inside, but can you see India's flag? It's around 200 meters away only. And some 500 meters away from that is the Pakistan's flag. And of course, we are really feeling bad that we can't go there, but it feels amazing to be standing here and seeing the border and experiencing this whole vibe of being around army men. So yeah, have a look. Getting extremely cold, but after the sarso ke khet, it's amazing. Can you see behind me? Super cool.
We then headed for some local shopping, and this market is also right next to the Golden Temple, so it saves a lot of time.
Traditional fulkaris, saris, suits, as well as dupattas, and this super amazing salesman. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? अमन. सुपर सेल्समैनशिप. अगर किसी को कुछ ना भी लेना हो तो भी वो दिलवा ही देते हैं. तो whenever you come here, make sure you have a visit. Yes. Wow. Thank you भैया इतना सपोर्ट और टाइम देने के लिए. Going to see Golden Temple.
So, the Mall Road is a road leading up to the Golden Temple. It consists of a lot of budget accommodation for travelers, local shops specially for kadas, dupattas, dress material, and some yummy eateries. This is the entrance to Golden Temple, and it is so beautiful in itself. Once you enter, you have to walk around the sacred pole to get into the Golden Temple. Due to restrictions, we of course couldn't vlog inside the Golden Temple, but the whole feeling was very nice. After the darshan, we were so tired and so cold, we then headed out for dinner.
The spiritual destination that is Golden Temple, we've come to Haveli, which is on the Amritsar Jalandhar highway, and this is the first thing I'm trying. That's spring rolls, hot spring rolls in this sardi. Sizzling spring rolls is the Haveli special thali. There is dahi balla, rice, mixed vegetables, paneer makhan wala, dal makhni, roti, papad, chutney, salad, and a sweet. That's kheer.
So guys, I'm going to quickly take you all over the layout of the buffet for our breakfast at ITC Welcome Hotel, and it is so good, so good. Everything's so cute, everything's so colorful, everything's so well displayed and spread. So let me just show it to you. Like you all can see, this is basically the place where you have all your milk and your fruits. And can you all see these cute little structures here? They are so cute. All the things where these things have been stored. So we have papaya, we have watermelon, we have the cold milk, cold coffee, strawberry. And we have the cereals, which has chocos, cornflakes, different types of syrups, maple syrup, honey syrup for your pancakes, and other dry fruits. We also have some boiled egg and baked beans and porridge, sauteed vegetables and potato wedges. I am waiting for this actually. Aloo bhaji with puris, hot puris. We have paneer bhurji, Sevaiya Upma. This is something which is a speciality in the north. We have different type of chutneys and some nice and steaming idli. Then we have the dal vada, which you can have with like different chutneys, and sambar. And what I really like about it is there's no non-veg, so I'm extremely happy. This is how the place looks like. We have the muffins and the croissants. So we have the plain croissant, the chocolate chip croissant. We also have the chocolate donuts. Then we have the dry cakes, apple danish, blueberry danish, and some more choco chip and oats muffin with some breads. Let me just hog on. So this is how our Amritsar vacation came to an end. After this, we headed out for my cousin's wedding, which is of course going to be the next vlog, and it's going to be super amazing and fun. Of course, if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified for more videos, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be a part of my journey. Also be a part of my Instagram family and follow me there.